Hi guys, I thought I'd start 2017 off with a massive print to test my recently built Cultivate 3D The Beast. I've finally managed to get it to a point where I'm happy, but after I finished this print I found out that it still needs some more work done to it. And towards the end I ended up getting a little bit impatient and recruited one of my other printers to help out. Now let's get into the print. I went on to Thingiverse and downloaded the jumbo blank LEGO Minifigure model, and I took it into Simplify 3D and scaled it up to 400%, and then I sent the files to the printers. Welcome back guys. After about 200 hours of printing, I've finally got this tiny little guy. Huge guy. I've always wanted a massive LEGO figure ever since I've seen the models on Thingiverse. Later on I might add to him and make some huge LEGO bricks to go along with it, so I've got my own little gigantic LEGO set to play with. And I might also sand him back and paint him up as one of the other LEGO characters within the LEGO ecosystem. Alright guys, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys later.